Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your SST teacher Afshin. How are you, students? I hope you will be fine. In the previous lecture, you have learned about the goods and services. In this lecture, student will be able to define the services and also describe the different types of services provided by the government. There are some special services provided by the government for everyone in the community, and these are police, fire brigade, hospitals, schools and city council. Now, what is the duty of police? The police help to keep us safe. They make sure that everyone is obeying the law and order. In case if someone is doing wrong, they arrest them. Now, fire brigade. Fire brigade put off fires. Their work is so dangerous, but they help to save the people's life. Now move to the hospitals. Hospitals treat people who are ill and injured. Doctors and nurses look after the patients. They also help them to get better. Now in schools we teach children to read, write and learn. And schools also help the children to lead a good and purposeful lives. Now in city councils look after the place where we live. It also provides us services such as water, sewage, road repairing and street clean, etc. Now time for the home task. What is the importance of community services in your opinion? Write down few sentences in your own words and then send me the address given below, which is afshin@chandbaghdg.edu.pk.